Right, this is a little video to mainly show team leaders, but also anybody that's working in the distribution, how we're setting things up. So this is the front of the Methodist Church, and you can see we've got this cone and this string. That is because we're making this the holding area. That means this area here is the area that only one client group, one voucher holder at a time, can access. And then what they do is, when we're ready for them, is they step forward and they put their voucher on this table and they step back, or they give the team leader the voucher number and then they step back. And nobody goes into this area until we're ready for the next person. Okay, now we do have a queuing system in the car park. So if I show you, hello Mark, we've got white tape here which we've put out to show the 3 metre areas. Now we've gone for 3 metres because we want to make sure if we've got people there with children in buggies or whatever, there's enough space. And that white tape is put out onto the car park here. We've also got tables in the entrance to both car parks. That's to restrict access into the car park because we don't want clients driving in here. Volunteers are allowed. And then, sorry sir, do you want to step away so I don't get you in the kel? And then we've got signage here which tells everyone to keep away 2 metres from each other. So that's what's going on outside. I'll be with you in a minute, Mark. I'll just show you what's happening inside so that we can share that. So this is the table where the team leader is going to be. We've got all the wiping stuff that we need in order to be able to wipe down every time. I'm now going into the meet and greet area, and then as we go into here, this is how it's set up at the moment, and we've got all of these pre-packed parcels. 2 person, 3 to 4 person, 4 person, 3 to 4 people, 5 people, 5 people weighed out. And then we've got a few extras here. So we don't actually have vegetarian parcels, but we've got vegetarian swaps. So all you would do is swap those items as you need to. But remember, the idea is all the time to make the transaction as quick as possible. So really the answer is about being reactive rather than proactive. So if somebody asks for sanitary ware, we've got a family hygiene pack, that will be included in there. And then we've got all the usual down here, Easter eggs and paperwork and more carrier bags. So obviously I can't film the actual session because I don't want to film the clients, but hopefully that gives you a sense of what we've got. And on Monday, this will be converted into a proper warehouse. At the moment, all we've got is food parcels. Okay?